I will be talking about what are the DRDO's initiative for promoting the Atmanirbharta in defense technology. As we all know, DRDO is a defense research and development organization under Department of Defense R&D under Ministry of Defense. And it has got more than 40 laboratories across the nation. And these 40 laboratories basically has been segmentized in 7 technology clusters. So starting from missile and strategic systems, then aeronautical systems, then electronics and communication system, and then cyber and IT, naval systems and material science, and then armament and combat engineering systems. And the last one is today, earlier it used to be called life science cluster, but now it is called, recently its name has been changed to soldier support systems, SSS. So there is a life science element also is there with DRDO. So these are the basically 7 clusters, and these 7 clusters look after the various technological aspects of all the defense-related R&D requirement of the country. Recently, DRDO has taken number of initiatives for promoting the Make in India, Atmanirbharta, and Skill India initiative of Government of India, sir. Now, there are basically, it has been categorized in 9 parts. This initiative has been categorized in 9 parts. So, first of all, I will dwell on these 9 schemes which has been created, which the initiatives has been taken by DRDO, and later I will also talk about some of the points which my predecessors have raised about the propellant, strategic electronics, and some of the strategic systems for the self-reliance in that area. So to start with, how DRDO is connected and benefiting the industry, I will just give you 2-3 pointers so to further take it on that subject. Now, till now, DRDO-based technologies which has been used for producing the defense equipment and the productions in the country, indigenously produced thing, has been valued more than 5,80,000 crore rupees. That is the number one thing, sir. Number two is the model which we interact with the industry is called transfer of technology. This is one of the model. So in transfer of technology, we publish number of technology. Once the R&D is done and the technology is matured, more than TRL level 6 or 7, then we publish on our website, these are the technologies available for the industry to absorb and produce the defense equipments. So till now, DRDO has generated more than around 2,000 TOTs, transfer of technologies, and it has been transferred to various industries in the country. So more than 2,000. So these are the 2 major aspects. Now, once in this transfer of technology, DRDO handholds the industry for establishing their plants, their machinery, their equipment, and they also provides the blueprint and the design document for the equipment or technology which has to be produced. And in this, if the production is meant for any of the government organization, we charge around, no, that is free of charge. And otherwise, if it is for others, it is 5% of the total project cost. That is the commercial aspect, which will be relevant for the industries. And the royalty is for the armed forces and the state government or paramilitary forces, royalty is free if it is being given to the armed forces. Now, number two initiative is Technology Development Fund, which has been created by DRDO under the aegis of MOD. This Technology Development Fund has been created to promote the self-reliance and the technology which is not available, and it can be given to any private industry, startups and deep techs. This fund is also available with DRDO, and it is in the tune of initially when it was started, it was 10 crores. Now it has been raised to 50 crores. So 50 crore funding can be given by DRDO to any of the industry who wishes to develop a technology or subsystem which is not available in India, or which is a requirement of the services or by the sister organization. So this is another way, and these schemes and the initiatives are well available on our website. If you Google it, you will find it. It is called TDF, Technology Development Fund. This is the second initiative. The third initiative is to promote the Atmanirbharta and Make in India. There are some 2,000 patents available from DRDO for defense technologies. So these patents, the Indian industry and startup can take it free of cost. I am happy to announce this, that it is free of cost for any industry. They have to just fill up some intent form, and it is available on our website. These patents can be used free of cost by any industry for indigenous development. And coming to the fourth initiative. Now, initially what happens when the technology development project is being sanctioned and being initiated, the partners, industry partners are being roped in the end of once the successful development has taken place. But now, of lately, in the last 2-3 years, I think this initiative was also taken, and the DCPP, Development and Production Partner, initiative has come up, and in this, what DRDO proposes that the development partner from the industry side can be roped in right from the inception of the project itself. So once the DCPP partner is finalized and it is being taken into board, then DCPP partner has all rights and sharing of IP for the project which has been completed by DRDO. So this is a very important aspect where industry can be benefited out of it and can be associated with it. Coming to the fifth initiative, the DRDO I have found out that many small and MSME players, they found very difficult to invest in the capital-intensive testing infrastructure of defense technology development cycle. So, to overcome this, we have started this program that now the testing infrastructure, which is a cap-intensive infrastructure, which runs into crores of rupees, and it is very difficult for a small player to cultivate it. So we have started that this testing infrastructure is available with various DRDO labs, and the firing range also is available, and it is a nominal fees. You pay it and you can use that testing infrastructure for your product development and technology development program. So testing infrastructure support is also available. This is the sixth one. Seventh one is that now any airborne stores or any crypto and cyber security related products, if it has to be certified, we have a mechanism by two labs which is named as SEMILAC and SAG. SEMILAC provides all the certification requirement for airborne application, and SAG, System Analysis Group in Delhi, it provides for all the crypto and cyber security products certification. This is also open for industries. Apart from these things, we also have started one RDR framework. Now, till now, the project is being assigned to DRDO, but other way around also is possible. If any industry wants some consultancy or some design-related consultancy from DRDO, under the new RDR framework, deposit work, they can assign a project to DRDO lab and avail their consultancy for any product development or any development-related project work. So this is a very good initiative where industry can be associated with DRDO for design consultancy and other development-related aspects. It is called RDR work. Then the very important and last is that DRDO has taken an initiative for opening a 15 DIA COE center in the country, where most of the IITs, ISC, and some of the engineering college and the universities, where DRDO Industry Academia Center of Excellence has been started. Now these are the center of excellence where industry can participate with DRDO and the academia. It is a tripartite and hub and spoke model where industry has been given opportunity to come and register themselves in these DIA COE and take up the development work. These DIA COE, fortunately, one is there in the Mumbai IIT also. It is called COPT. There are 15 such DIA COE available in the country. The list is available on website. Otherwise, people can contact me. I can provide you with the vertical specialization with every DIA COE. Now coming to the points, sir, जो आप लोगों मेरे predecessors speakers ने उठाए थे regarding the funding and other aspects, sir. Now, I mean, DRDO has been very liberal in giving the funding part. TDF is one of the mechanisms where 50 crore rupees of worth of development work can be very well given. Second thing, we have a model through DIA COE also, the industry can participate in the development work. Apart from that, any other DCPP model, DA model, there are various schemes available. The only thing is we have to see on our website, interact with the concerned industry interaction group and can very well get the funding. Funding is not an issue. Only the issue is that intent. If the intent is there that yes, I have to connect with DRDO, by any means, I have seen when there is a will, there is a way. We will get it connected. So whether it is coming from DRDO or from any other source, funding is there from Government of India, it can be available. To tell you one more thing, that recently Government of India has announced one mega fund for industry, where industry and startup can very well participate. Its value is 1 lakh crore. There is a fund called Anusandhan Fund, ANRSP. I think if you Google it, it will come. It is being handled by Department of Science and Technology, and every industry can participate. There is no such problem in that. It is a 1 lakh crore rupees fund where all the R&D, all the S&T related initiative can be taken up by the industry and startups. Then, and of course, deep tech also. Regarding General Upadhyay said about the propellant part, sir. Sir, I have spent almost my 25, 30 years in the lab called HEMRL. I spent some part in DRDO headquarters, Delhi as director. So propellant is one aspect where we have mastered that. I can proudly say we have mastered that. If any of the propellant related issues are there, there is a lab called HEMRL in Pune. People are welcome, and if anybody wants to take up that propellant development related work, we are free, they are free to talk to us. And I would also like to mention that there are 3-4 agencies, private agencies, who are developing extensively based on DRDO technology, the propellant and high explosive material in the country. To start with, there is an industry called solar industry, sir, in Nagpur. It's a very big industry, and they have cultivated number of propellant compositions, and now they are exporting to other countries also. The equipment called this Pinaka.
Manish, you
Pinaka.
may like to wrap up.
Huh?
You may like to wrap up.
Yeah. So Pinaka is there. Then apart from this, sir, we also have the strategic electronics part also is available with various DRDO laboratories for electronic warfare and EECP. So anyone who wish to contact us, we are there to support it. Thank you very much.